What are you doing over there, Jazz?
We're skating on the new ramp.
Our first skate on our new mini ramp that we've been working on for 6 months. It's our first skate together. Kevin, Jazz, let's see what you got, Jazz. It's a hot day out here, 85 degrees. Humid. Winds are out of the southwest. She starts off with the backside to a front side, slide, grind, whatever. Awesome. And she has warmed up just a few minutes, so we're not gonna lie, but this is actually technically our first skate together. Tabernacle. Look at her go. Up. The decks aren't finished, so it's a little weird here, but it's so, we've been waiting so long. Ooh. Pretty cool.
It's fun. It's really fast.
Yeah, it's
Super fast.
it is fun.
So, but it's fun.
Super cool.
What do you got?
I don't know.
We're up here on our roof.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's come over here.
What do you got?
I don't know. I'm gonna try a front side slide.
Okay, let's see it. Look at him go. Nice.
Ah.
Okay. This is a pretty fast ramp. So it's gonna take some getting used to, but it's definitely a lot of fun. Hey! Woo!
A lot of fun. Oh, it's fast.
It's fast. A lot faster than what we've been used to at our local park, so it's definitely gonna be something to learn, but I think once we get the hang of it. Woo! You good?
Yeah.
All right, you're tough. You got this. Come on, you got it. Oh!
There it is. I gotta get it.
You got it. Okay, you got it. Yay, there you go. That was nice.
All right. That's it.
That's it
All
for
right.
today then, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Woo!